Welcome to Forex Trading Course. My name is John Person. The purpose of this course is to teach you the basic fundamentals and advanced techniques for successfully trading the Forex or foreign currency markets. This course is not going to teach you to pick every top and bottom of every single price move. What this course is going to try to do is teach you how to find and identify specific technical formations that have a time-proven history of being profitable. We've run back tests on some of the methods that we are teaching in this course, and they have a statistically proven strong success ratio. As soon as you will discover that some of the charts, in fact, the back tests were done in this course with the Genesis trading software. Throughout this course, I do refer to the Genesis software platform and also the plugins that I have developed based on the methodologies taught that you have in this trading course. So there is a link on my homepage at www.nationalfutures.com if you would like to try this software for a free 30-day trial with the plugins. I highly recommend that you try this software if you don't already own it. I welcome you to joining me in a fascinating journey of trading in the markets for a living, and I wish you the very best that life has to offer. With that, let's get started with our program. First off, this is copywritten information. What you see here is for your eyes and for you to benefit from trading. This is educational material to teach you what it is for successful identification of technical analysis patterns. It's unlawful to reproduce, distribute, or exhibit this material to anyone other than the individual assigned. You cannot reproduce this material without express written consent of the author, me, John L. Person. First off, I'd like to point out that some of the things that many people have seen is my trading book, The Complete Guide to Technical Trading Tactics, How to Profit Using Pivot Points, Candlesticks, and Other Indicators. This is one of the first books ever to be written on combining pivot points and candlesticks. In fact, we had many people give us strong recommendations on this book and endorsements such as John Murphy, Larry Williams, Larry Pesavento, Steve Nissen, and also Dan Grams and, of course, Ed Dobson. This book has helped pave the way for other educators educating people in the art of candlestick and pivot point analysis. In fact, in Perry Kaufman's new trading systems method, it's the 4th edition, he quotes my work on page 121 on how important it is to combine candlesticks with pivot point analysis. So this is methods that people have truly adapted to, and it is a very good, solid trading methodology. What this trading course, what we are going to go over, is pretty much a lot of stuff in your trading manual, but we're going to give you some great examples and talk about each one of these topics, such as I'm going to introduce you about the differences. There's some subtle differences and there's some different nuances between Forex and futures. Most people are not aware that we've been trading foreign currency trading markets in the futures industry for literally close to 30 years. We're going to go over pivot point analysis, the importance of confluence, moving average, and a concept of using a moving average with pivot points. We'll go through the construction of candlestick charts, the doji, the specific trade setups such as my signature high close doji, low close doji, and a failed doji top. We're also going to go through some top reversal patterns and show you what it is, especially with shooting stars and also hammer formations. In fact, we'll go through a statistical backtest study that we used using the Genesis software for you to see the importance of why we look at 15-minute charts and why we set up identifying certain candle patterns. We'll go through the benchmark, my signature benchmark, or we call it the blast-off candle, and what triggers a trade based on that formation. Chopstick patterns, otherwise known as yin and yang. Otherwise, some people call them tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms. We'll go through sideways patterns, stochastic signals, MACD setups, Fibonacci extension, and corrections on how you can integrate those on an intraday time period, especially as they line up with pivot point analysis. I'll also show you how to read the Commitment of Traders report, and of course, we will go through how to set up your charting system and so that you can develop the proper trading setups before you begin in your journey on Forex trading. I'd like to introduce